What's happening, guys? I'm Aidan from DK Tune. Today's video is on this VW Polo GTI 1.8 turbo, and it's in today for a back box delete, so hopefully it's going to sound and look sick. So stay tuned. So underneath the Polo, guys, this is the back box that Ryan is going to be removing. As you can see, it's quite big, so it will deaden the sound of the car quite a bit. So as you can imagine, it's going to sound absolutely sick when this is removed. So guys, the back box delete is done on the Polo GTI. And now we're going to start it up, see what it sounds like. Hopefully, it's going to sound loads better. So as you can hear, guys, it sounds so much better. Really meaty now from the back. So if you want this on your car, be it a GTI or any other car, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and also subscribe to our YouTube, and we'll see you in the next one.